Did you know that sleeping flat is bad for you? Have you ever wondered why buying a mattress is such a struggle? Is it really possible to find the one that's right for you? How come so many people buy the wrong mattress, and not just once? Why have mattresses become so complicated?
Those are all good questions, and we're happy to answer them. Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'm here with one of the owners of Gardner's Mattress & More, Jeff Giannakovo. Jeff, tell us about what makes Gardner's unique.
Well, Lisa, we don't just sell mattresses. Anybody can do that. For us, it's all about the complete sleep experience our customers enjoy.
That's the complete experience approach you've developed over your many years in the mattress industry. I understand you've even traveled the globe and been in dozens of mattress factories over the years. So how does that experience and your extensive connections within the industry benefit your customers?
The answer to that is pretty simple. Our customers get the best value, period. We find your best fit from our hand-picked solutions and sleep systems. And since Gardner's is not beholden to any large mattress suppliers, we're free to recommend any mattress, so our customers can choose from a wide variety of the best offerings that are right for them.
That's the fit you're talking about, right?
Yeah, that's exactly right, because we know the mattress industry inside and out. We never use empty name brand talking points. We don't have to. In fact, no matter who a customer talks with at Gardner's, they'll be talking with an expert who knows how to find the right sleep system for that customer's individual needs.
Well, that does sound like the kind of experience and value people are looking for.
Personally, my goal is to have each one of our customers wake up happy every morning.
Well, that sounds pretty appealing to me. Jeff, what else makes Gardner's unique?
Well, our sleep systems are approved by the U.S. Patent Office, so we're the only company in the nation that can offer less snore, more cuddle systems in both king and queen sizes. And when you add in the fact that our variety of systems are very easy to use without any confusing technology or a lot of parts that can easily break, our Cuddle Zone systems give you excellent support and comfort and are simply a better value for thousands less. That's what makes Gardner's unique, and customers tell us that all the time.
Jeff, it's great that so many people are getting a refreshing night's sleep thanks to what only Gardner's offers. And the best way to experience that for yourself is to make an appointment, talk with our experts one-on-one, and discover the perfect Cuddle Zone system for you. Keep watching, because we're going to answer your mattress questions so you can get a great night's sleep too. Let's meet Mr. and Mrs. 1, Mr. and Mrs. 2, and of course, Mr. and Mrs. 3. They're all looking for the same thing, a great night's sleep. Yet, they've each come to Gardner's for very different reasons. Mr. 1 snores like a freight train, making Mrs. 1 weary from poor sleep night after night. Mr. and Mrs. 2 have had enough of waking up every day with neck and back pain. Mr. 3 so wishes he could have something firm to sleep on, but Mrs. 3 likes her nice soft nest. Sound familiar? Like we said, they all want the same thing, to wake up every morning refreshed, happy, and full of energy. Let's follow their stories as they discovered the one sleep system that's right for them and the joy of less snore, more cuddle. Let me introduce you to our uniquely designed Cuddle Zone systems that will help you have less snore and more cuddle. Our systems are the only ones specifically designed with a Cuddle Zone in the middle. And that means both you and your spouse will enjoy customized comfort tailored to the exact way you like to sleep. Here's what one of our customers has to say. Our Sleep Better book is packed with great information about your sleep issues. It's easy to get your free copy.
If you have snoring problems like Mr. and Mrs. 1, text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. If you're like Mr. and Mrs. 2, who deal with aches and pains, text the number 2 to 717-297-1961. And if you're tired of compromising like Mr. and Mrs. 3, text the number 3 to 717-297-1961. We'll send you helpful information right away, plus a free copy of Sleep Better.
Why wait any longer for a refreshing night's sleep? Make your Less Snore, More Cuddle appointment today for a one-on-one consultation with the Gardner's expert and wake up happy. To see one of the ways a Cuddle Zone system from Gardner's makes all the difference, let's check in with Mr. and Mrs. 1. Poor Mrs. 1. She can't take another night of lousy sleep next to Mr. Freight Train. His thunderous snoring is due in part to gravity and its narrowing effect on Mr. 1's airway during the night. That's just one reason why sleeping flat is bad for you. But on a Cuddle Zone system, his head can be raised to the perfect position to reduce the pull of gravity, and that will reduce his snoring. It's the very reason astronauts don't snore at all in space. It's also why Mr. and Mrs. 1 can finally leave the train station behind and both get a great night's sleep thanks to our unique Cuddle Zone systems. Read all about how to sleep better and put snoring problems to rest, free.
Text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. We'll reply instantly with helpful information and mail your free copy of Sleep Better.
Are you ready for less snore, more cuddle? Schedule your in-person appointment with Gardner's today and leave the train station behind. It's true. You can buy a mattress just about anywhere these days, and they'll be very happy to sell you whatever is on special that week, even try to pressure you into buying it. With some mattress dealers, it can be pretty hard to tell what you'll actually pay after it's all said and done, let alone what else you'll have to pay for once it's delivered, if it's delivered when they say it will be. The real question is, does finding the lowest price actually mean it's the right mattress? Could that be why you haven't found the one that fits you? Maybe you bought a mattress online or even in a store, only to discover later that it wasn't what you want or need. It feels different at home than how you imagined it would. Over time, though, you notice that difference more and more because you're sleeping less and less. To get a great night's sleep, you have to do more than just buy a mattress. Since you spend about a third of every day in bed, you want to make sure you get the right fit, the right level of support and comfort for the way you sleep. This is one of the reasons Gardner's is so different. We help you discover the exact Cuddle Zone system that fits your individual needs for many years to come. We all know how important sleep is. It's just as vital to your health and well-being as diet and exercise, like a three-legged stool. In fact, thousands of research studies have proven that consistently getting the right sleep rejuvenates your immune system, improves brain function so you can think more clearly, and can even enhance your romantic life. Case in point, remember Mrs. 2, who wakes up every morning with nasty aches and pains? Those affect more than just her neck and back. They affect Mr. 2, too. Not getting enough sleep can make anybody exhausted. Mrs. 2 knows all too well how exhaustion leads straight to feeling moody, anxious, and miserable, even depressed. Not to mention the toll that lack of sleep takes on her digestive and lymphatic systems. And the mental fog. She just might forget where she put her keys more often. There's no reason to let your current mattress make you lose something as valuable as a good night's sleep. It's just too important. Here's what one customer said about the night and day difference that a Gardner's Cuddle Zone system made for them. If aches and pains are making your life miserable, Learn how to make your life better with Sleep Better. It's free.
Text the number 2 to 717-297-1961 and you'll have helpful information in moments. Plus, receive your free copy of Sleep Better in no time.
Why not put an end to feeling miserable and waking up with pain? Discover how from the experts at Gardner's. Contact us today to schedule your in-person appointment. And just for completing your Less Snore, More Cuddle appointment, you'll receive a pair of his and hers custom-fit, custom-made pillows, an exceptional value, free, with no obligation to buy anything. For Mr. and Mrs. 3, compromise is the name of the game with most everything. There are things, though, that they don't compromise on, like what they eat or the way they like to exercise. So why should they compromise on sleep? Even though their mattress is the perfectly soft nest for Mrs. 3, Mr. 3 feels like he's lying on a mushy marshmallow instead of the firm mattress he dreams of. Well, compromise no more, Mr. 3. With the unique Cuddle Zone system from Gardner's, you don't have to, ever. Our king and queen size Cuddle Zone systems give you personalized comfort on each side of the bed, thanks to our his and her custom fit technology, and for a lot less money than other mattresses you've heard about. Every Cuddle Zone system is specifically designed for full body support and spinal alignment to improve how you feel when you wake up, like reducing neck and back pain, less leg pain and swollen feet, reduced muscle tension and stiffness, fewer circulation issues, and even less acid reflux and GERD. Our sleep systems can also help lessen conditions like asthma, congestion, and breathing issues while you sleep. And lest we forget, reduce snoring. Thanks to deep restorative sleep on a king or queen size Cuddle Zone system from Gardner's, Mr. and Mrs. 3 are as happy and pain-free as can be. If compromise is keeping you awake at night, do something about it.
Text the number 3 to 717-297-1961 and we'll send you Sleep Better, free. You'll also instantly receive free information that you can use right away.
With the right sleep system from Gardner's, you'll never have to compromise. Come see for yourself what that means. Schedule your in-store consultation today. Not only do people have different needs when it comes to sleep, they also have different ideas about what type of mattress will support them best. Mr. and Mrs. 1 think a traditional approach will be their best option with a tried and true inner spring mattress. For Mr. and Mrs. 2, natural sap rubber latex might just be the way to go. And since Mr. and Mrs. 3 are all about compromise, they're looking at a hybrid that blends a traditional mattress feel with the benefits of memory foam. So which one is the right one? The answer is as individual as you are. Let's show you why. Imagine if you slept most of your life without compromising your sleep position, mattress support, and personal comfort. Sounds pretty inviting, right? That's exactly what our Less Snore, More Cuddle systems deliver. Individual comfort without compromise, and a sleep experience you'll only find from Gardner's. Are you a side sleeper like Mrs. 1, or feel more comfortable on your back like Mr. 1? Whatever position you prefer, your mattress becomes an active recovery system that relieves stress on your body every night. Being in the right sleep position is key to relieving pain in your neck, back, legs, and joints. You'll have less buildup of fluid and swollen ankles. Your sinuses will be clearer, and you'll be really comfortable watching TV or reading in bed for as long as you like. Once Mr. and Mrs. 1 find their own perfect sleep position, they each simply press a button, and they'll never have to search for perfect again. Along with sleep position, let's talk about support. When you think of the word support, you might think of lying on the floor. It doesn't budge at all, right? But most people can't sleep on the floor too long. Even though they're getting firm support, the floor soon overwhelms their muscles and joints, creating pressure points and pain. Mr. and Mrs. 2 still remember the days when they fell asleep on the floor after reading bedtime stories to their kids, or during a football game after a big Thanksgiving meal. That was then, this is now. These days, Mr. and Mrs. 2 need the right kind of support, the kind that doesn't create pressure points or neck and back pain, the kind of support that holds your body in the best sleeping position all night long. Obviously, firm support isn't the only element for a great night's sleep, or everyone would be fine sleeping on the floor. You also have to consider comfort, and everyone has their own idea of what comfort means, including Mr. and Mrs. 3. He wants extra firm. She wants a soft nest to cuddle up in. Their different comfort factors are why Mr. and Mrs. 3 are looking for a new mattress, and it might be why you're looking too. Maybe your mattress is just not comfortable anymore. So no matter how old it is, if your current mattress sags or has dips and trenches, you could be tossing and turning a lot, have muscle and joint tension, pressure, and even numbness. And because of that, you're not getting the kind of deep sleep that actually restores your body and is so vital to your overall health. Those issues can all be reduced and even eliminated with the right level of individual comfort. And that's the beauty and the value of our less snore, more cuddle systems. They give you a great night's sleep for thousands less, and you wake up happy. If you're like any of our 3 couples, we make it easy to learn more about your sleep issues. We'll send you a free copy of Sleep Better.
For snoring problems, text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. If you're like couple 2 who deals with aches and pains, text the number 2 to 717-297-1961. And if you're tired of compromising, text the number 3 to 717-297-1961. You'll instantly receive free information about your sleep issues. Plus, we'll send your free copy of Sleep Better right away.
The only way to really know which Cuddle Zone system fits you best is to come to Gardner's and experience the right combination of support and comfort for yourself. Get in touch with us today to set up an appointment. With the Cuddle Zone system from Gardner's, you'll both have the right balance of support and comfort that's perfect for your sleep position, without compromise. That's why we often recommend a natural sap rubber latex mattress. It's superior in several ways. Natural latex is a completely organic material made from rubber trees. It's great for both comfort and support because it gently cradles your body while relieving pressure points. Natural sap rubber latex is just that, natural. Because your skin absorbs everything it's exposed to, it makes sense to sleep comfortably all night long on a natural material. That way, you never have to wonder what your skin is absorbing or have to deal with harsh chemical odors ever. That's one of the big advantages of natural sap rubber latex over memory foam. Also, natural sap rubber latex is more durable than other mattress types. It's not prone to break down simply by being exposed to oxygen like memory foam or comfort padding. Support, comfort, and exceptional durability. Those are just some of the reasons why natural sap rubber latex outlasts all other mattress types by years, even decades. So regardless of your sleep position, you'll get the exact support and comfort you need night after night after night with our unique Cuddle Zone systems and the joy of less snore, more cuddle for less. It really is easy to learn more about your sleep issues. Just read Sleep Better. Plus, get free, helpful information instantly.
For snoring issues, text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. If you struggle with aches and pains, text the number 2 to 717-297-1961. And if you've had enough of compromise, text the number 3 to 717-297-1961. You'll have your free copy of Sleep Better soon.
Get a great night's sleep naturally. Schedule your personal consultation today, get 2 free pillows when you visit, and discover for yourself why the best value is a Cuddle Zone system from Gardner's. The position you sleep in each night is crucial to how you feel in the morning. While the mattress is the foundation of comfort, your pillow is another important part of the equation. So we custom fill pillows in our store to the exact firmness you need to keep your head and neck properly aligned. What's more, Gardner's mattress protectors keep moisture from getting into your mattress while still allowing air to flow. That's key to extending your sleep system's lifespan and your comfort. You'll also love to cuddle up in our comfortable custom-fitted sheets all year round, guaranteed to stay in place. We offer these sleep essentials for one reason. Our focus is on your complete sleep experience, so you get a great night's sleep every night. Remember, when you complete a personal appointment with us, you'll receive a pair of his and hers custom-fit, custom-made pillows, an exceptional value, free, with no obligation to buy anything. Be sure to ask us about any of these sleep accessories when you visit Gardner's Mattress and More. Schedule your in-person appointment today. And you'll find answers to your sleep issues in Sleep Better. Here's how to get your free copy.
If you battle snoring problems, simply text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. If aches and pains are your issue, text the number 2 to 717-297-1961. And if you're tired of compromising, text the number 3 to 717-297-1961. When you do, you'll also receive helpful free information instantly.
Do you want less snore and more cuddle? Most people do, and that's why so many are sleeping well night after night and feeling better day after day. Thanks to our unique Cuddle Zone systems. Only the Cuddle Zone unlocks the power of uncompromising sleep and comfort. Imagine having a staycation every night in your own home without compromising what you each need and want. No more sleeping in separate rooms because of nighttime noise pollution. No more twin beds shoved together with a Grand Canyon in the middle. Less snore, more cuddle systems featuring the Cuddle Zone are your secret weapon to increase happiness, lift your mood, increase productivity, enhance your romantic life, and improve your relationship. Mr. and Mrs. 1 know it's true. Mr. and Mrs. 2 do too. And Mr. and Mrs. 3, well, they've kissed compromise goodbye with the Cuddle Zone system that's perfect for both of them. Come to Gardner's Mattress and More to experience for yourself what less snore, more cuddle can mean for you. And when you complete a personal appointment with us, you'll receive a pair of his and hers custom-fit, custom-made pillows, an exceptional value, free, with no obligation to buy anything. Once you discover the perfect fit for your personalized sleep needs and the exceptional value Gardner's gives you, it's an easy next step to investing in a less snore, more cuddle system.
With your purchase, you'll receive a significant discount, plus a free Sleep Essentials Starter Package, another exceptional value. Or with approved credit, take advantage of free no-interest financing for up to 60 months. Just sign, sleep, and dream. Want to learn more about your sleep issues right away? Read our free book, Sleep Better. If you deal with snoring problems, text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. Aches and pains? Text the number 2 to 717-297-1961. And if you're done compromising, Text the number 3 to 717-297-1961. We'll send you free information instantly.
Plus, your free copy of Sleep Better will be on its way to you. Let us show you the joy of sleeping well, staying well, and living a better life. Come to Gardner's and discover what our complete sleep experience is all about.